Registering your child online for the Phoenix Talent School District is simple and easy. Follow these steps to register your child for the 2024-25 school year. First, click on the registration link within the yellow bar at the top of any PTS homepage. You can also find the registration and enrollment link under the Students and Families drop-down menu. On the registration page, you'll find links for returning students and new students. If your child is currently enrolled and returning for the 2024-25 school year, click the link for returning students. Enter your username and password and click the Sign In button to enter the registration portal. Once in the registration portal, look for the Forms tab on the left-hand side. When you click on the Forms tab, 4 menu items will display across the top of the page. Click on the menu item labeled Enrollment. On the next page, you will see the heading PTS 24-25, under which you will see 6 links: student demographics, student address, student contacts, health information, residence survey, and permissions/agreements. You must fill out all the required fields within each of these links to register your child for the 2024-25 school year. Many of these fields will be populated by the information you previously provided, but please check to make sure it's still accurate. On the Student Contacts page, it is very important to add a primary email address, all parents/legal guardians, and at least 3 emergency contacts apart from the parents/legal guardians. This will help ensure you are notified of critical updates and reminders, such as weather delays and family engagement events. Don't forget to click on the blue Submit button located on the bottom right of each form. If you have questions about the registration process, please contact your school or the PTS district office at 5415-351-517.